Heading to Koh Samui today, and I'm finding this a little bit more challenging than I thought. It's the first time I'm taking my car over there on the car ferry. Well, it's called Sea Train, the ferry, and for weeks I've been trying to book a ticket ahead of time, and the website just doesn't work. I get to the payment part and it just doesn't work. It doesn't work, and I called Warunee, and she had her call the company, and they said, well, it should be working, you know, or maybe just buy your ticket when you get here. So we got here bright and early in the morning, like, I don't know, 7 something. And then they say, oh, it's all booked up. You have to wait in queue till the 2 o'clock ferry. I mean, are you kidding me? Like, wait 6 hours for the 2 o'clock ferry and just park here? So I was gonna park my car, go walk to the coffee shop, then I see cars moving up. So she says, oh, there is a chance if people don't show up, maybe we can get on earlier. So it's just purely confusing. I don't like randomness. I like to know exactly what I'm doing and where I'm going and when I'm going. But we're gonna walk up here to the front and see if they can give us any idea if they think we'll be able to get on an earlier ferry with the car. Because there's a coffee shop. I was just gonna go sit over there and wait. And I was gonna send her, she's meeting a customer on the island. I'm gonna send her as a pedestrian just on an earlier boat, and I'll meet her later on the island. So yeah, it's the queue, but if everybody's going on the 2 o'clock ferry like they told us, why is everybody sitting in the car with their car running? It just doesn't make any sense to me. But that's what she told her. Luckily, I think she can just jump on, like I said, and get over there. So maybe if it fills up, they just let a couple cars go each time. This one's going to Koh Samui. We're gonna ask some questions, see if we can get some information. So we checked again at the information desk, and we're in the queue line. They told me now maybe 3 or 4. Then while Rooney goes into customer service, we bought our ticket to come back from Samui, and they told her, oh, go online, maybe people cancel, and you can get another ticket. So she found a ticket for us to go over at 11 a.m. But nobody understands anything. Like, why at the counter when we pull in, they didn't just tell us, oh, you can try to go online and buy a ticket. Like, the online never even worked for me on my laptop. And now it's working for her on, maybe she has the app or on her phone, or maybe it's a Thai thing. I don't know. Now I'm parked in the parking lot, and I have to queue again at 10:30 in the real line to get on. They gave me a refund for the standby ticket I bought, which I don't understand why they just didn't. It says sold me a standby ticket to go between 2 and 4 in the afternoon when it's 7 in the morning, and there's a ticket available for 11. Why didn't she just sell me that one and tell me to go hang out like now we're gonna do at the coffee shop? It's so convoluted. These are the things that you have to get used to when you try to do things around Thailand. Like, never plan on being anywhere at the exact time or anything. Luckily, her appointment's at 1 o'clock, so actually the timing's gonna work out perfect because we should get to get over there about 12:30.
Okay,
why everything's so hard here? Why everything's so hard in Thailand, babe?
not so hard.
You just gotta plan and be patient and deal with it. But yeah, lucky I didn't have her in English. I'd have been waiting until 4 o'clock in that standby line. So a little shaky start getting over to Samui, but we're gonna come in this little coffee shop, get some coffee, work on the computer, and hang out for a bit.
你别这样，别这样去当麻烦。他那个没有放线的，他你能不能放线？我说能啊，我说你给我开个公车，我说我这给你放就是了。
Alright, so I'm in line. Looks like I'm actually gonna get on this ferry. Looks like the water's kind of calm. Not too bad. Okay, finally got up to the front of the ferry line. I think this is our ferry pulling in, number 11. The 10:30's pulling off, so hopefully we can load soon. Yeah, they're not that big, so I guess you're not fitting too many cars in each one. Better to plan this out earlier than later. took off on time, headed to Samui. It was so windy and wavy and just the water was rough yesterday. Looks very calm today, very nice. Now when I booked this trip last week, I checked the weather for this week and it showed sunny and beautiful every day. Now it's showing rain. So we'll see. You just never know with the weather down here. It's still rainy season all the way through December down south, Samui, the islands. So you never know what you're gonna get, but if it rains here, maybe our next stop will be sunny. It's like a roll of the dice this time of year down here. It's always good to get away though. So this is it. Almost at the island, just getting ready to pull up now. We are on Koh Samui. There's been tons of videos made on Samui, so this part of the video I'm just going to show you a few of my favorite cultural spots here. Nothing too exciting, millions of videos made about the beaches here, so just check out these couple spots, and if you ever come here, these are two spots with great views that you got to check out. I'm up at the pagoda. This is one of my favorite spots on Samui. It's a great lookout spot. I'll just show you this real quick. You can see that's the pagoda here. And it just overlooks the airport. And then if you go around the other side here, you get a nice view of the lake. The lake in Chwang is on this side, I think. Oh my God, look at all these little cats over here. All of a sudden. Oh, big happy cat family here. Wow. And there's the Rooney, the lovely Rooney. This is the Chwang down there. That's Chwang Beach behind that tree, and this is Chwang Lake. I'll take you around Samui a little bit in case I see anything cool. We were just on top of what's that thing called? Chetty. Pagoda, Chetty. Yeah, that's a great view. Now we're at Big Buddha, and this is my first time coming to Big Buddha here.
Or tattoo.
Not decoration. Yeah, you're not supposed to have Buddha tattoo. And look at, they got the things, but look at her. But she's okay because it's covering her thighs. They've relaxed the rules a little bit. She's actually more dressed than some people are here. But before I thought you're supposed to cover, all the way down to your knees almost. I don't know. I think this is a little, let me see, come here now. I think this is a little tight on your ass for Buddha. I think a little tight for your ass to come to temple. I don't think appropriate. You can take the Thai girl out of Thailand, but you can't take the Thai out of the girl. Something like that. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, wait a second. We're in Thailand. Oy. Wow, nice view from up here. Not as good as the other one, but sort of good because you have a nice unadulterated view of the bay here. This is nice. The other one's much higher, but this is a great view. All right, we're gonna go back out, and we're gonna drive up in this peninsula, this area up here. I stayed at a hotel up here one time. I think it's really nice up there. I'm gonna go drive around. There's an area down by the ocean up on the other side there with some rocks and whatnot. We'll go look over there. So over at the Big Buddha, they got this mermaid thing, kind of in this lagoon area over on the other side. This is all a little peninsula, like a little island just connected by the road. Road's right over there. That's where we parked. So we decided to pull off the road and take a little hike. Check this out. So the road's up there. It's kind of just a deserted area. I think it's like a nature area. It's all green on the map. So I don't think they can build here. Maybe this is a public area or something, but real rocky over here. Beautiful. Don't go farther. She's a very risky girl. Oh, that's like little mini waterfall there, huh? Isn't this beautiful though? No, don't go any more closer. Babe, get up here. Get up here. Okay, let's go. Babe, it's slippery. Don't go over there. See how risky she is? No, let's go. Slippery. See, she's a daredevil. She's a daredevil. Let's go. Get up. We decided to find a little beach bar for a snack, maybe some food, maybe some drinks, who knows. But this is, what is it? Chongmun Beach?
Yes.
Chongmun Beach. It's a very nice part of the island, not too far from the Ritz-Carlton. Chongmun?
Yeah. Chongmun. Hard Chongmun Beach. Chongmun Beach.
Oh yeah, that one. So, check out this beach. Check out a bar or something over here. We are dying. We just climbed on those rocks. It was like a long path. We're coming back. There's 3 dogs. She wanted to go the long way away from the dogs. They were kind of vicious looking. We picked up sticks and we fled. So we got a little rain coming again, huh? Did you bring umbrella? Uh-oh. It's been rain on and off. Just a little bit of rain today, not too bad. But we didn't bring any beach gear because we've been doing temples and things like that today. Hopefully, yeah, we should be able to walk down here a little bit. Figure out where we want to eat, drink. Got some grilling going on here. Oh, that smells really good. Chicken grill, huh? A few dogs over here. Uh-oh. All right. Some bars, restaurants. Kind of a quaint little area here. Very tropical. It's a cool little bar, Carnival. Cool bar. This is the one that I was going to go to, but it's kind of open air. So I think we're going to head up there to the covered place because it looks like it's about to rain again. I like this beach though. This is pretty chill here. That Koh Phangan out there, babe? What is that, Koh Phangan? We'll end the road trip video here on Samui. Just a little bit of Samui stuff in this road trip video since I've been here so many times and made so many videos about it. I'll try to dig up some of the old links of Samui and put it in the description. However, it's not the end of the road trip. I'll be making separate videos at each of the next few stops. They're places I've never been before, places that are a little off the beaten path, not quite as popular as Samui, and far less videos made about these other places. So I'll make full videos at these other places I'm heading to. It's just that here on Samui, it's been beaten, you know, like a dead horse in a million videos. So I felt like I didn't need to put too much too much video here on Samui. Anyways, I do have a full video of some property tours here that I'll also put in the description if you want to check that out. And make sure you subscribe. Like I said, we're heading to some kind of off the beat locations that I've never been before, and I'll be making videos there. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video. Greeny out.